Brace yourselves because the next pandemic could be closer than you think. Scientists warn that we're not out of the woods yet. Climate change, deforestation, and increased human animal contact are creating a perfect storm for new diseases to emerge. But here's the kicker: it's not a matter of if, but when. Some experts predict we could face another global health crisis within the next decade. So, what can we do? Stay informed, support research, and practice good hygiene. Remember, prevention is key. Are you ready for the next big health challenge? Let's work together to stay one step ahead of the next potential pandemic.